Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic known as histamines. Contents: Introduction, Synthesis, Storage, Release, Pharmacological Action, Classification, Pharmacokinetics, and Therapeutic Effects of Histamines. Histamine introduction, meaning tissue amine, abundantly present in animal tissue, also in plants like stigning nettle, mediator of hypersensitivity and tissue potential tissue injury. Physiological role: the primary site, the mast cell granules, skin, intestinal and gastric mucosa, lungs, liver, placenta. Central nervous system, that is neurotransmitter, the fundus of the stomach, major acid, epidermis, gastric mucosa and growing regions, also blood, body secretions, venous and pathological fluids. Classification: first generation, highly sedative; second, moderately; third, mild. Second generation, fexofenadine, loratadine. Antihistamines, pharmacological action. Antagonism of histamine effectively block bronchoconstriction, contraction of intestinal and other smooth muscles and triple response. Low dose blood pressure fall antagonize but needs H2 blocker to counter high dose fall in blood pressure. Constriction of large vessel also antagonize. Gastric secretion unchanged. Anti-allergic action. Manifestation of type 1 hypersensitivity reaction suppress. Urticaria, itching, angioedema, anaphylactic fall in blood pressure, and asthma in humans. Pharmacokinetics. Classically, lipid soluble, well absorbed orally and parenterally, metabolized in liver and excreted in urine. Widely distributed in body and enters brain and crosses blood-brain barrier. Induce microsomal hepatic enzyme. Duration of action is 4 to 6 hours. Cetirizine, loratadine, fexofenadine, well absorbed, are excreted mainly unmetabolized form. C and L are primarily excreted in the urine. F is primarily excreted in the feces. Therapeutic uses. Allergic reaction does not suppress AG-AB reaction but block release of histamine. Palliative. Itching, seasonal hay fever, allergic conjunctivitis, angioedema and lipid eyelids. Anaphylactic shock cannot be related. Less effective in perennial vasomotor rhinitis, atopic dermatitis and chronic dermatitis. Bronchial asthma. Concentration at the site may not be sufficient. Not effective in humoral and cell-mediated allergies. Other conditions of histamines: insect bite, poisoning, symptomatic relief. Antipruritic in dependent of antihistaminic action. Common cold. Thank you.